Hello everyone, welcome back to our PHP lecture. Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all. Today we are going to deal with a new topic of PHP, that is PHP echo and PHP print statement. Echo and print statement. Now let us see what is PHP echo statement and what is PHP print statement one by one. With PHP, there are two basic ways to get the output. In PHP, you have two basic ways to get your output. First, in our lectures, we have seen output using a echo statement. We have seen output using echo statement. But now, there is another option also. You can see the output using your print statement also. In this tutorial, we use echo and print statement in our example, and all you can use your either echo statement or you can use your print statement to deal with. Okay, in this tutorial we are going to do echo or print statement. So this chapter contains a little more info about your two output statements. Okay, let us see PHP echo and PHP print statements. Echo and print are more or less the same, one and only the same thing. Echo and print are both the same thing. Okay, echo and print are more or less the same thing. They are both used to output data to the screen. Echo and print are more or less the same. They are both used to the output data to the screen over here. Differences are very small. Okay, echo and print are both the same thing. Differences are very small. Now your echo has no return value. What they are saying, echo statement has no return value. That means echo is not going to return any value. Okay, while print has a return value. Print statement is having a return value of 1. What is saying? Difference are small. Echo has no return value and print has a return value of 1. So it can be used in expression. You can use it in expression. Echo can take multiple parameters. Now your echo is going to take a multiple parameters. Okay, the difference are too small. Echo is going to return not going to return any value, and print has a return value. So echo can be used in expressions. Okay, echo can be used in expressions, while echo can take multiple parameters. What they're saying, echo can take multiple parameters and print can take only one argument. Echo can take multiple parameters and print can take one argument. Echo is marginally faster than print. Echo is marginally faster than print over here. You can see. Okay, let us see both the things differently one by one. Okay, very first PHP echo statement. Now the echo statement can be used with or without parentheses. What they are saying now, the echo statement can be used with or without parentheses. That is echo simple, you can write ECHO echo, or you can write ECHO with your bracket. Can you see over here? ECHO with a bracket. Simple, you can write echo. Okay, ECHO, or you can write echo with a bracket. Can you see this? Okay, echo with a bracket. It is called as parenthesis. Okay, now it is used to display your text. Following example shows how to output text with the echo command. Let us see now example over here. PHP echo. Okay, what is this? PHP is a tag to define your PHP tag. Okay, PHP next kind of code, echo. Inside echo you have written, inside double inverted commas you can see h2 tag. Inside h2 tag you written PHP is fun. h2 tag completes over here, then semicolon echo hello world br, hello world br. Okay, echo I am about to learn PHP. Echo I am about to learn PHP. BR. Okay, let's see now. Echo this is Now let us see another thing over here. Echo bracket open double inverted comma, see double inverted comma inside your double inverted comma, this is written. After double inverted comma is even given. Okay, next in after comma inside double inverted comma string is given. Can you see this string? Okay, this string inside double inverted comma, after this string after double inverted comma completed, your comma is given. Now after comma again was is given inside double inverted comma, then again comma is given. Next line made is written inside double comma, after made comma is given, then with inside double comma with multiple, okay, with multiple, next line parameters, can you see, with multiple parameters is given over here, the inverted comma complete and semicolon. So what it says now, echo statement can use multiple parameters. Okay, it can be used multiple parameters over here. Okay, now display of variables. The following example shows how to output your text or variables with the echo statements. Okay, example of it, PHP tag opens, then $txt1 $txt1 is equals to learn PHP, $txt1 is equals to learn PHP, txt2 is equals to w3schools.com inverse and double inverted comma, then semicolon, $x is equals to 5, $y is equals to 4, echo h2 txt1. Now let us explain, I will explain you this in detail. Now echo has been written over here, inside this h2 tag has been written inside double inverted comma, then your dot operator has been used. Can you see dot operator is used as a concatenation operator. That means your h2 tag will be concatenated with tag txt1. What is txt1? Learn PHP. Okay, then again dot operator, okay, that is concatenation operator, then h2 tag complete over here, semicolon, last echo study PHP at. Now echo study PHP at $txt2, okay, separated by concatenation operator, okay, br. Now last echo $x plus $y, that means $x plus $y, that means the value 5 plus 4 has been added over here. Okay, now next is PHP print statement. Let us see what it says. What is the PHP print statement? The PHP print statement can be used with or without parenthesis. The PHP print statement can be used with or without parenthesis. Print or print, that is with the single print or with a bracket over here. Display of text. Following example shows how to output text with a print command. How to output text with a print command. Example, PHP print, okay, PHP print, then double inverted comma h2, PHP is fun slash h2 inverted comma complete, semicolon. Next, print hello world br, print hello world br, semicolon, inverted comma complete, bracket complete, sorry, bracket, inverted comma complete, and semicolon. Print I am about to learn PHP. Okay, then PHP tags complete over here. Now same thing, we're going to see a variables over here, PHP, then txt1 dot text, txt1 is equal to learn PHP, txt2 w3schools.com, $x is equals to 5, $y is equals to 4, print h2, okay, txt1, that is your concatenation operator has been used over here, h2 slash h2, you can see print has been used over here. Okay, print study PHP at $txt2 dot, okay, br, print $x plus $y. That means you have taken your print of your $x plus $y, 5 plus 4. This was our display of your variable using a print statement. So today we have learned with PHP echo and your print statement. Okay, in our next lecture we are going to deal with a further part. Okay, new things we are going to see. Okay, by that time please learn, don't sit idle at home, make a revision. Okay, days are coming soon, inshallah we will be meeting in our college. We are going to clear the doubts. Please write down all your doubts. Okay, whatever doubts you are having, please write it down on a piece of paper. We are going to solve it. Okay, thank you. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.